So it's early morning, fishing up at Jack's estate, which is sort of in the Blythdale area of KZN. I'm fishing with the Saltrockers this morning. I don't know if you guys have seen their channel. If you haven't, give those oaks a follow. They are, yeah, such a lekka bunch of guys producing some really cool content. So yeah, if you pop onto their YouTube channel, you'll see it's, if you like my channel, you'll like theirs. Theirs is way more energetic than mine at the moment. But yeah, give them a follow, have a look, see what those oaks are up to. Okay, the boys are going away left, right and center. How long has that thing been going now? Yeah.
It's like maybe one a year.
Oh no, man.
I mean, last year the one I got was on a daisy chain.
Here we go. Chick boys are on here. What we got? Was that in your down rig? Yeah. Kingy.
I just dropped this. Yeah, it's probably a kingy.
Rock hard.
Hello.
Catface GT. Hey. There we go, Catface GT. Gotta love mornings like this. Just absolutely beautiful. Fortunately, not many fish around. But check here. Water temperature not so great, 23 degrees. We need that to get up to about 25 for the fish to really come on again. But what a beautiful morning. Okay, we had the kuta curses broken.
Oh,
And now the oaks have decided to hook each other up here. They're playing
a big blue kayak.
a big blue kayak, tug of war here.
Oh, you meant to have a bait on here, Justin? There's supposed to be a bait on there. There's focal.
You paid car, you didn't put in nothing. There we go, kuta curse broken! Got to witness it, what a win.
Oh, what a cool way to do it on the jig.
I know, foul hooked it in the belly. Hey?
Oh, you're still on.
Yeah, I'm gonna change. So how I generally rig up is so this rod here has got a sardine on the surface, so basically no down riggers or anything like that. And then the rod on the left hand side, I've got a 7 ounce and I've down rigged them quite close to the bottom. I've got a mackerel on there. I'm actually just going to pull that mackerel up now, and I'm actually going to swap it out for a walla walla, which I caught the other day, and yeah, just drop them on the bottom and see if we can't pick up a nice big kuta. Oh, I've just gone away on my down rigged Mac. Hopefully it's not a shark. Didn't scream off, so don't know. Maybe a sharky, who sees? Boys there hooking kutas. I was just about to switch over to a walla. I've probably got a shark. It's my luck. Oh, it's a bottom. Big catface. Big catface. Oh, look at that. Sheesh, that's a good sized catface. Sheesh, I'll take him. That is good char right there. Yeah, definitely a keeper size. Let me just grab him. Big cat face. Proper size. Okay guys, look at that nice big fat cat face. He's definitely a keeper. There we go. Very nice cat face. Ow. Definitely going into the hatch. Okay, I'm going to set up that wallet now. I'll show you guys what a wallet trace looks like. And then hopefully we get a nice big cooter. Okay, so there's the wallet. We'll check the trace comes down to about here. I should have had one more hook, but anyways, it is what it is. I sort of made this up on the fly. Hey? Puff adder. This wallet's gonna catch me a nice 20 kilo boy. Wallet's on the bottom. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Puff adder, looks like a puff adder actually. It's funny. What I do when I'm doing my depth, I put my fish finder on and you can actually check the sinker go down. So I know when I'm on the bottom. Now you can check my sinker going down. So I'm going to drop this guy down to 15 meters, just past 15. There we go, got him at just under 20 meters, and when I paddle it's going to pull it up a little bit. So my bait should be sitting at about 15 odd meters when I'm paddling. How's these mother truckers? All three of them bloody got cooter already. I was floating around here with the bloody catface GT. Yeah.
There were some bonnies here earlier.
Is it?
The bigger ones.
Ah.
I mean, Harry got it on 15.
You got it in 15?
Yeah.
Oh my word, okay, let's go shallow.
I got it at 32, yeah, on nylon. On nylon, looking for Gary.
No ways. There we go. Oh, he nailed it. Nailed it. Coming straight for the rock. Ooh. On the rock. Oh! Can he do it? No way! Boss! You nailed that one. Hey, Bo.
Don't too much, look. It's lunch.
Yes, today.
Hello, Kitty.
Still here.
Back.
There you go, straight into the cooler. You got ice in there at least.
What's that?
You got ice in there yet? No.
No, not yet. I wasn't expecting, eh?
Got a lick. Open his mouth and get the cat to surprise him.
Oh, there's a coot. Oh, that's a nice one, eh?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
play.
And
And then,
guys, my GT how quick
He's check out. He got he broke the Kuta curse.
with
Has
the
been
lekka
broken
GT.
with the GT.
Don't show them the GT in the hatch. This is Sean's GT, by the way. The
Oh.
peak.
Whatever. He was trying to get me disqualified for nothing.
UKFC,
I got it on video. So you ready?
Oh, so shiny.
Check it out, eh? Oh, it's a snooter.
He was hooked right over there.
Jigged it, and he hooked it with a jig in the belly. How's that for breaking the curse properly?
Take them as they come.